English no library. Line one book calling. Mama,
Connect, you can mute your microphone. So class, we are going to do the full revision of all L blends, okay, which we have already finished. Just give me a minute. Okay, so we are going to do the recap of all L blends, okay, through a PPT once again. And then afterwards, we are going to write the glur and blur words in the notebook, okay? Understood, everyone? So ma'am is sharing you the screen and we can start with that.
ma'am,
Yes, bacha.
why do we need the no line book?
What, bacha?
Why do we need the no line book?
You have to take your English notebook, 4-line notebook with you.
No line or 4 line?
4-line. You have a 4-line notebook for English, right?
Okay.
Good morning, Laksh. So class, we are doing the recap of all L blends as we have finished the L blend now. Okay. The first blend which we have learned is slur. Okay. Slur. What are the words from slur? Slug. Slur, app, slap. Then we have slur, ab, slab. Slur, ip, slip. Slur, am, slam. Slur, im, slim. Okay, so this all are the slur words. Then a sentence. Bob is slim. Okay, Bob is slim. Then another family of L blend is pl. Okay, pl. Whenever there is written pl, you have to sound as a pl. Pl, plum. Okay, pl, plum. Then pl, plug. Pl, plug. Pl, us, plus. Okay, pl, us, plus. Then we have pl, plot. Pl, plot. Pl, a, play. Pl, a, play. Pl and plan. Pl and plan. So this is slur and plum. She likes plum. The sentence is she likes plum. Then we have the another family is fleur. Oh, sorry, fleur. FL is fleur. Fleur, I fly. Fleur, I fly. Fleur, egg, flag. Fleur, ip, flip. Fleur, up, flop. A fly went flip flop. Okay, a fly went flip flop. The next family is clap. CL is a clap. Clap, clap. Clap, clip. Clap, us all clap. This is a cloud. Yes, Khanak?
Cloud starts with a clam also.
This is a cloud. We will come to you, Khanak, afterwards. Okay? Next we have gla. GL is a gla. Gla at glad. Gla glum. Gla you glue. Gla as glass. Gla and gland. Gla o globe. A glass of milk. Then the last family is blah. Okay? Blah o blow. Blah ek black. Blah ok block. Blah ud blood. Blah you blue. Blah s bless. A blue block. Okay, so this all are your L. Okay, so you should know what are the L and how to pronounce it.
Ma'am,
Yes, love.
and here.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Yes, even I am stuck.
Yes, ma'am.
Now my voice is clear.
No, ma'am. Your network is slow.
Okay, now. Okay, class. Now am I audible or not? Just show me thumbs up and thumbs down. Okay. Thank you, Khanak. So now what you are going to do? You will take your English notebook. Okay, take your English notebook. Open a new page. Open a new page. Okay, just a minute. First of all, you will write in the index page today's date and the heading. Okay. Give me a minute. I will show you. Okay, I will show you. Just a minute. We are going to write the words of gla and blah. Write down the date 17/8/2021. Okay, and write down L blend, gla and blah. Write down L blend, today's date 17/8/2021. L blend, gla and blah. Okay, in your index page. In your index page. Then open a new page and write down the date and again the heading L blend, gla and blah. Okay. अच्छा
Ma'am?
class. Yes, ma'am.
मैम अभी ना आई एम नॉट एट होम, तो आप हिमाई को थोड़ा एक दो
Okay.
बार इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दो ना, बिकॉज
Okay.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है उसको। तो आप उसको हिंदी में या फिर बोल दो ना कि कौन सी बुक में
Okay.
क्या करना है।
Okay. हिमा,
Hi,
आपको
Mama.
नो हाय मम्मा। चलो लिसन टू मी, यू हैव टू टेक योर इंग्लिश नोटबुक। ये आपकी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक है, ये वाली 4 लाइन बुक है ना? ठीक है। हाँ, नाउ ओपन अ न्यू पेज। न्यू पेज ओपन किया आपने? अभी उस पे आपको डेट लिखनी है एंड टॉपिक लिखना है। ओके, राइट डाउन दिस। एवरीवन प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस।
Do write down this. Write down this. अलग आइरुआ
ये तो मार्च नहीं रखा।
सोनी लोग है अलग
हाँ, you can
नहीं
write at
रखा,
least
पेंसिल रखा।
L blend and write down blah and blah hime. अच्छा class, one thing I want to know, should I write the word or मैं dictate करूँ and you can write it? So it will be like a dictation also and you can do the practice. What you want? I'll dictate the word.
मैडम थोड़ा पास से दिखाइए ना।
हाँ, sorry sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, so ma'am is dictating you the word and you can write 5 times. Okay, class? That is fine to you? Or should I show you a word? Dictation will be fine now, so you can able to know whether the which words, what is the spelling, right? So this will be both combined. Chalo, the first word you will write is glad. Gla and glad. Write down the word glad, everyone. You have to write 5 times. Okay? Glad.
उस लड़का कौन सा लड़का?
Glad. Gla. Gla and glad.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5 times लिखना है ये।
English, all the words we have written 5 times, right? The same verbally and they have to write 5 times. Glad, the first word. In this way, ma'am, in this way. I am saying one by one the words and they have to write.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So the first, everyone done glad?
Ma'am, can you please again show book?
I will show only one word. That is glad. Glad you have.
5 times लिखना है।
मैम ग्लैड एंड
Just I have said that अभी तक मैम
ओके
yes. So we can do one thing. We can write all the words all together and at the end मैं आपको दिखा देती है and then you can write 5 times. Okay. Second word is glum. You have to write like this class. दिख रहा है आपको? Okay, you have to write this. So write down the second word is glum.
मैम ब्लरी कांट सी ब्लरी
Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the way you have to write. I will dictate the words and you can write. That is the word glove. पहले मैंने glad बोला. Next word is glum. Laksh, you can show me afterwards. The third word
नहीं
is
वो बोल
glue.
रहा है ऐसे ही लिखा है
No, no. Ha, yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you please
yes.
tell
Now
me
you
again
have to write.
what you write for?
I'm just okay. I can do one thing. I'm just showing you the words, all the words all together. So at least you can write. Just give me a minute.
मैम फिर
Okay.
क्या लिखना है?
Okay. I'm showing you, bacha. This is the word. Glass.
Ma'am, it's blurred, so can you write in chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's blurred, so we cannot make out.
Okay, I'm writing all the words in the chat box. This all are
Ma'am, they have to write full page or half page or this dictation?
we are writing in times every after finishing each and every blend. So we are going in that way. We have to do the same way.
Okay.
I hope everyone is understood what you have to do. Is if you have any doubt, please ask me. Each and every word you have to write 5 times. Every time we are doing this. आगे हमने बहुत सारे में ऐसा ही किया है. If you remember, if you have done, then you will be able to know. This all the words we have written in the same way. Today also we will write. I was giving you this upload, but today we will write in a class. I was taking this in a form of dictation I want to take, but unfortunately we are not able to do. So right now you can just write the word.
मैम फिर क्या लिखना है?
लिखना है. मैम ने चैट बॉक्स में जितने वर्ड्स लिखे हैं that you have to write. If you can show me after writing it how you are writing, so I can know that whether you are writing in a correct way or not. Yes, bacha. Hidayat. Very good, Hriday. Perfect, bacha. Perfect. Next word is glass. Hriday, write down glass. 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 glass is done? Oh, sorry, Hriday.
Yes, ma'am.
Glass is done? Writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Prayag, are you writing and what you are doing? Okay, Mama is helping you.
एक एक बार लिख दिया
हाँ हाँ
5 times
ओके ओके चलो अभी राइट डाउन 5 times. प्रयाग. Yes, Shlok, why you are raising your hand?
By mistake, ma'am. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay, ma'am. No problem. Shivin Bacha, are you able to do? Any confusion is not there? I hope so. Yes. Okay, Bacha. Paki, why you are crying? अभी रो क्यों रहे थे आप पाकी? Why you were crying? नहीं? Show me your notebook. Paki, show me your notebook. I can't see anything, Paki. नीचे नीचे, down down. Okay, okay, perfect, good. Kia bacha, I hope you are able to do. Kia, even Ayansh, Shlok, Arav, you are writing, I hope so. Arav, what are you doing? Arav, show me your notebook, Arav. Show me your notebook. Okay. Arav, ये एक second. Once again, show me. Why that page is incomplete, Plur? और आरव आपको one time नहीं लिखना, you have to write each and every word 5 times. Arav, like this you have to do. Can you see? This is the way you have to do. और आरव आपने yesterday का भी upload you have not completed. You have not written the claw and flower words. Why? Okay, Nivan, I can see, Bacha, you are done. Very good. 1 page is done. But Nivan, handwriting.
Ma'am, I going holiday.
So you are going on holiday, so you will not complete your work. Chalo, Nivan, finish the another page. And Nivan, look here. Why you are not writing in a good handwriting, Nivan? At least for English, so I can't accept this. You have to write in a good handwriting. Otherwise, I think I have to take you to the school. Chalo, stop behaving like this. You are not a small kid. Not in a nursery. You are in senior KG now. I'll take all the toys of Nivan. Shall I do that? your PC will get broken. Chalo, come on, finish that page in a good handwriting, Nivan. Very good. I'm happy to see that, Hriday, that you are writing the words by listening. Good. Shri, what are you doing? Are you writing or not? Hime? You have to write the page. You have to finish that page. Come
લે
on,
પહેલા
start.
કીધું હવે આવી ગઈ તારી મમ્મા નીચે હવે તું માર ખાવે ક્યારનો કીધો તો નહીં સાંભળતો તો
Shlok, are you writing, bacha? I can't see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Laksh, you are able to do, right? Laksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Good.
Ma'am, done.
Very good, Shivain. Well done. Okay, nicely written. Good. Very good. So now here we are done with L blends. Okay, class? Now from tomorrow we are going to start a new blend. I mean day after tomorrow. Yes, Shivain. Bye-bye. Bye, Shivain. Others, please complete. Hime, where are you, Hime? Ayansh, you have to write. Paki done? Very good, Paki. Other words which complete all the words. Paki, but where are the other words, bacha? Blur words आपने लिखे? You have written blur words. Show me. This is only 3 words. You have to write all the words. Gland, globe, blow, all the words. Write down G. Write down GLAND, gland. No, what no? Danish, what happened to you? You have to write.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I just come
Hmm?
right now. So अभी उसने ऐसे कुछ किया ही नहीं है, रो रहा था. I make him later. Like I'm
Okay, okay, no
take
problem.
him from work, ma'am. And मैं उसको बाद
Okay,
में करूँ.
they have to just write blur and blur words in the notebook, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah. Okay, class. So the one who has completed writing the page, very good. The one who is left to complete, you will complete it by today. Okay. Here we are ending our English class. Next class is your Hindi class. Okay. Be ready for that.